All right, I wanted to do an update on my video of pruning your citrus trees to avoid the citrus leaf miner. And this is one of my citrus trees. It's Valencia navel orange tree. And yeah, pretty much, 90 something percent of this growth is new, and there's zero citrus leaf miners on it. All right, and this is the lemon tree, and it has zero citrus leaf miners on it also, and is producing lemons like crazy. And here's our Washington navel citrus tree, and it also doesn't have any citrus leaf miners on it, and has replaced a huge percentage of its leaves, and they're hardened off now to the point where it won't get any citrus leaf miners. Now this is our tangerine tree in the front yard, and let me show you what it has: citrus leaf miners. And I actually waited longer on this tree to prune it, and I wanted to talk about where I went wrong with that. But it has citrus leaf miners all over the place because these leaves came out later because I waited a longer time to prune it. Here's a new little tangerine tree, and I have a couple of others, and no citrus leaf miner on it. And I had just planted it, and I cut off almost all of the leaves that came from the nursery because they looked so bad. They had like thousands of little spots on them where they looked like they were attacked by pests. So I just left a few of the hardened off leaves down below and cut all the leaves off, and this thing is just looking absolutely beautiful, and no citrus leaf miners. Now for the one tree where I went wrong, and I'm showing you the leaves here, it's because I waited so long to prune that one. I didn't do it right away, and the thing that I have learned this year is I waited. Even on the ones that didn't get it, I waited till the temperature at night dropped below 50 degrees. But I think what I would add to that is don't wait until the temperature drops 50 degrees. You can kind of watch and see when it's going to start dropping below that, and that's when they stop reproducing. So I would do it beforehand, because once you prune it, it's not going to start growing immediately. It's probably going to take, a few weeks before it even starts growing. So you could actually get a jump on it and start pruning beforehand when you know soon the temperature will be below 50 degrees. All right, I will link the video down below, the original video that I talked about and showed all this stuff about that. And the only thing I will add to that video is it didn't seem to help a lot with the citrus psyllid. Although they stopped reproducing, they were still really active. And then the only other thing I would say is, get a jump on it, and don't delay.